Welcome to Shanahobbs Art Channel. Come along and create beautiful art with me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Look at me. I've been mixing paints. So as I said in my previous videos, is I can't get my pouring medium, my Acrylic Flow, sorry, which is the one that I use. Can't get it. So I ended up getting a different brand, a brand that I've never in my life heard of, and I don't even know if the stuff's going to work, to be honest. But let's do a Dutch pour. So I've mixed up a base color here, which is a very, 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 very light blue, and I'm just putting this down. Everything's still got bubbles in because I've just mixed all these paints. So I hope this pouring medium works. Otherwise, you know, I fear that if the pouring medium doesn't work, that the paintings just won't dry properly. They'll, you know, not dry evenly or something like that. So let's hope for the best, shall we? All right. I just want to cover the edges a little bit if I can. Okay, well, it's not dry anymore, so I suppose that's good enough. Get rid of that. Okay, into that, let's put some colors. I think we'll start with some of that. Into that, I'll put some gold, and into that I'll put some of this purple, and let's blow that out. And I've still got paints left. You see what I do there is I don't put all of my colors down for in case I need to blow out again or blow, you know, I keep some of that mixed up paint extra in the cup. So let's see what we get here now. None of these paints have silicone in. You see there I'm losing all the color, so that's why I can go over this again. This will be just a good way now just to cover the canvas with paint, and then I can add more color and go over it again. Wow, I'm getting some beautiful effects here. There's a lump. I can get that out now too. Okay. Now I go over this again with more color, and then I blow it out for the last time now. So the last of my color, putting this down. Get rid of the cups. Right, and let's blow this out. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to go around now to make sure that all my sides are covered. Which they are. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So I'm going to take my gloves off and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Look at that. Look at the pretty effects that we got. Lots of gold, as you can see, tons of shimmery gold. Beautiful effects. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful colors. The green and gold are both metallic, so it'll be nice and shimmery when it's dry. Look at that. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as we created this quick and easy painting. Just to recap, there was no silicone in any of the colors. All I did was I watered the paints down a little bit, because for the Dutch pour your paints do need to be a little bit on the thinner side. And that's it. And look at the beautiful, beautiful painting we got today. So an easy technique for beginners. Give it a try. You will love doing Dutch pours just like I do, and you get really beautiful paintings out of it. Everybody, please remember I do have a Facebook group. Details to the Facebook group are down in the description below. I would love for you to join my Facebook group. Share pictures of your art, because I'd love to see it. Remember that all my paintings are available to buy in my Etsy shop. Details down below. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel and supporting. And I'll see you probably on Saturday as we do another painting. I'll see you then. Thanks guys. Bye.